Hey guys, and thank you for visiting my channel. Today we will cook quick and delicious apple pie with creamy filling. For this recipe, we will need 240 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of condensed milk, 200 milliliters of whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 400 grams of sliced apples, 150 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of butter, 1 egg, and of course the scales. Start by beating 100 grams of butter and 50 grams of sugar until creamy. Now add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until combined. Add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then gradually add 240 grams of flour and mix until the dough is formed. Now it's time to butter the pie plate and gently spread the dough in. Press down to line the pie dish with the dough and press the edges and the bottom with fork. Bake the dough at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Beat 200 milliliters of whipping cream and 50 grams of sugar. Add 150 grams of condensed milk and mix well. Then add in 150 grams of cream cheese and beat until combined and creamy. Take the dough out of the oven and arrange about 400 grams of peeled, cored, and sliced apples over. Pour over the creamy filling and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And this is it. Our delicious apple pie with creamy filling is ready. Bon appetit!